Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing an easy recipe which is Pizza Canapes. So for this you need some chopped onions. Into the bowl add in some chopped tomatoes. After that add in some chopped capsicum. For taste add some salt. There to this mixture add in some black pepper powder. You can add it as per your taste. Then some oregano. To this mixture add in some chili flakes. So it's as per your taste. If you do not like spicy you can skip this. I'm also adding some olives. So this is sliced olive. It's really optional. If you want to add it you can add, or if you want to skip this you can definitely skip this. So I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of olives. Now for sauces you need to add in the pizza sauce. I'm adding estimated around 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce. Then add mayonnaise. After adding all of these, just mix this mixture really well so that all the spices that we have added and all the sauces that we have added mix together with each of the vegetables. And then after mixing everything up, just keep this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll start plating our canapes. You can take your canapes, fill up all these canapes with the mixture that we have prepared, and then we won't be setting this aside because the canapes might become soggy. So just fill this up mixture really very fast in all of these. Then sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on each of these canapes. After that top this up with some oregano and chili flakes. You can skip chili flakes if you do not like spicy. So once it's all done, just bake this for 5 minutes until the cheese is melted, and your tasty pizza canapes are ready. You can enjoy it with tomato sauce.